Well guys, here we go. I've got the little bit of redwood. Gonna just draw a wee rough spirit face. Let's see what we're gonna do. There we go. I'm gonna be running the 1/8 kutzall, guys. The link's down below if anyone's interested. This will be the first carving using the Dremel 4000. Just a wee quick one. So we'll see what we get done. Have a shop vac in the day, so this will be a video just with a bit of music. Gonna turn this on, just blast away here, so we'll see what happens. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, here we go. This is my first carving with a Dremel 4000. It's pretty good. That's in a piece of giant sequoia redwood. I'm gonna give it a wee bit of mineral oil now. Just see what happens. So could have done better on the horns, but sure, that was just an idea I had when I started it. There we go guys, wee bit of mineral oil. Zoomed in here and we'll see what this comes out like. Just gonna whap it on and then I'll brush it in. But this here wood is beautiful. Get plenty on top because this wood will suck it right in. I'll do the whole thing, I'll even do the bottom here and the old bit. Just add a wee bit of character to it. And I'll let all this soak in and I'll give it an oil coat. Doesn't really need much on the back of it because the back of it wasn't really treated, but I'll give it a wee whack anyway. Or sorry, the back of it wasn't even sanded. Never mind treated. There you go, get her done. I'll let that soak in. And I'll give a wee wipe to the excess and then I'll get another wee look at it. There we go. So, there we go guys. All finished. little redwood Viking. That is my first carving with Dremel 4000. I gotta say I was really pleased with it, guys. Check out the colour of that wood, but it is class. So, all good. That is the first wee carving. Just done a wee quick wood spirit, just to see what it was like. I have to say, really pleased. She cuts a lot easier than the last one I had. A lot more cleaner too. So, all good, guys. Looking forward to do the next one now. It's just a little Viking wood spirit. The back of it's rough, but I always leave the back of them rough. Just makes it more unique. There we go. A little Viking wood spirit. That's my first carve, guys, so happy days. Really good, really pleased with that. And looking forward to do the next one. So it's very late here now, guys, so I'm gonna get this uploaded and then think about what I'm gonna carve next. So happy carving, people. See you all later.